Hello everybody, I'm Alexandra-Makin and this is Early Medieval Embroidery. I'd like to start by apologising. I know that I've not been active on YouTube for a few months, but those of you who follow me on other channels such as Twitter and Instagram will know that I'm still around and I'm still doing things. And I thought I'd take this opportunity to let you know what I have been doing and what's been holding me back on YouTube and what I will be doing over the next few months. So recently I've been really busy in my job as a postdoctoral research associate at the University of Glasgow. I'm the postdoctoral researcher on the really exciting project Unwrapping the Galloway Hoard, and if you're interested in what I've been doing with Dr. Susanna Harris, you can see a video that introduces our work on another channel on YouTube, and I'll put the link to that down below. There's also forthcoming an exhibition in Aberdeen which shows some of our work as well, and if you're interested in that, I'll put the link to that down below as well. So away from my academic work, I've been working on some more personal projects. Some of you will know that I give talks, and I've been doing a number of those recently. I've also got a number coming up in the near future, and I'll post links to those at the relevant times. As well as giving talks, I've been working on a number of kits. I'm sure some of you will have seen my previous post where I introduced the first kit. And linked to that, I've been designing kits for workshops. I've got 2 workshops coming up, one in Winchester and one in Nottingham. So I've been really focusing on getting those embroidery kits right. Once these workshops are complete, I'll be putting these kits online for other people to buy as well. So you can see that it's been really busy up till now, but I'm hoping to spend more time on YouTube and putting together some more videos over the next few months. These are going to include more stitch demonstrations, which will hopefully help people who buy my kits and they need more information about how to create those stitches. I've also got a number of lecture style presentations lined up, and they will be coming out over the next few months as well. As well as that research work, I've also been writing a number of chapters in books and articles for different people, 2 of which have recently been published. They're really exciting. So in this book, my article focuses on the Bayeux Tapestry, but it looks at its wider context within the early medieval world. And in this book, my chapter is really exciting, well I think so, because it focuses on 2 embroidery fragments from the tomb of Bishop William de Calais at Durham Cathedral, and these haven't been investigated much in the past, and so I was able to technically analyse them and write their biography, their story, and that's been published in this volume. This book I'm also really excited to be part of, because it's a fresh shrift dedicated to my friend Elizabeth Coatsworth. She's an amazing scholar, and it was co-edited by another good friend of mine, again one of my PhD supervisors, Gale Owen-Crocker, with Maren, Clegg, Hyer, again 2 really fantastic scholars within their fields. So check it out. So as you can see, over the last few months I've been really busy off screen, but in the coming months I want to get back into the routine of posting videos, and I really appreciate the fact that you've subscribed, you've kept following me and supporting me in this venture. So please like this video, add your comments down below, and click subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you very much.